Can you play Valorant on Linux? In this video, I'm going to discuss whether it's possible to play Valorant on Linux. Valorant is an anti-heavy or anti-cheat heavy competitive shooter developed by Riot Games, but it does not have a native Linux version. The game requires kernel-level anti-cheat drivers which are incompatible with Linux. Currently, there is no official support or workaround that allows Valorant to run properly on Linux systems. Tools like Wine or Proton do not work due to the strict anti-cheat mechanisms. Players who want to play Valorant must use Windows or consider dual booting their Linux machines with Windows or gaming purposes. Riot Games has not announced plans for Linux support, so the best option for Linux users is to run Valorant on a Windows partition or use a different competitive FPS available natively on Linux. And that's the reality of playing Valorant on Linux.